With the need for remote services, In-House Solutions is pleased to offer remote training. Whether it's just a one-on-one session or a group session to tune up your programming skills, In-House Solutions has you covered. At the scheduled time, one of our application support specialists will start a remote session with your group to begin the training course. We pride ourselves in our ability to offer unsurpassed industrial mastercam training classes and want to bring that to you in the most convenient way possible. Whether your employees are joining us from the home or from the comfort of a boardroom, we're here to help. Not sure where to start? You can view the list of our pre-designed courses on our website, inhousesolutions.com, by clicking on the Training tab. Each course contains a brief overview of what to expect, along with the level of programming competency expected to take that course. If you don't see anything you like on the list, feel free to talk to us about how we can customize the curriculum for your company, whether that be training around a job you're working on or covering content from various licenses and levels. Contact your sales rep today to ask any questions and find out how we can help you today.